Hi, my name is Matt Scanlon. I work at Engineering USA. I'm an associate partner. So one of the industries that we've been working more and more with over the last years is the shipbuilding industry. This is a very unique industry. The products that they produce are at a much larger scale and complexity than what we typically see in manufacturing. The ships that are being built or even repaired can take months, if not years, for these products to be completed. And they have very unique challenges at the shipyards. Shipbuilding has always been an important aspect to America, even from our origins in the colonies. Building ships for transportation and defense has been a critical aspect to the success of this nation. Even today in modern shipbuilding, it has many important effects on our economy and how we conduct business, as well as to the defense of the country. So today's shipyards are facing many different challenges, mostly because of the complexity and the amount of time needed to construct many of the ships that are used in naval defense or in transportation, as well as the amount of work required to repair and overhaul these ships. What we see at shipyards is hundreds, if not thousands, of laborers having to work together in order to meet very difficult time constraints. Many times what we see happen is that a delay in one area can have a cascading effect and cause major delays for the overall production of a ship. So there's a lot of challenges in the scheduling and coordinating the many different activities that are found throughout an entire shipyard. So one aspect that we're contributing to shipyards is the optimization of facilities. So we're working with manufacturers and repair facilities to help find ways to improve their processes and find ways for them to accomplish their activities in a faster, more efficient method. So one customer that we've been working with is an American manufacturer and industry leader in commercial vessels. This global manufacturer is known to build some of the most technologically advanced ships in the world. So our team delivered a project leveraging advanced simulation tools to help the customer virtually model and evaluate the layout and activities of the shipyard in order to increase foresight and efficiency in their complex assembly and production processes. We were also able to help them in the allocation of their workforce, and this is one of the major challenges that this customer faced, is due to the ever-evolving schedule and the requirements of operators and the workforce to be at different buildings. We were able to help predict and allow them to allocate in advance where those operators and workers should be attending. So I believe there's going to be some radical changes in the shipyard industry in the future, especially in how ships are being manufactured and the repair processes. We're going to see more automated processes and more robotics within the shipyard industry. Many of the processes today are very much manual. There's a lot of welding and a lot of operators performing manual activities. There's huge opportunities to use robotics and use automated machines to help in that process, both from an efficiency perspective as well as from a safety perspective as well. What we want to deliver is the smart shipyard. There's many advancements and technologies that can be used to improve how shipyards are operating, and we believe we can help the industry in this transformation. Engineering USA is proud to bring the capabilities shipbuilders need to make real their vision for the future.